Welcome to another edition of Ambassador's Corner, brought to you by the Glenwood Springs Chamber Resort Association and Aflac Donnie Cochran Insurance Services. I'm here with Dr. Cindy Hall of a Center for Women's Care. Dr. Hall, I see that after your name, the letters D-O and F-A-C-O-G. Can you tell me what those credentials mean?
Sure. As a DO, I was trained in the osteopathic school, and I actually trained in Kansas City, Missouri. And the emphasis at our school was on holistic, the body as a whole, and overall health in general, and primary care. FACOG stands for Fellow of American College of OBGYNs. It's the largest group of OBGYNs in the U.S. The majority of OBGYNs are in this group because it is the governing group for us. And I am a certified fellow, which is the highest level that you can obtain in certification.
Wow. I noticed that you opened the clinic in November of 2010, but I know you're not new to the Valley. Can you tell us a little bit more?
Originally, I moved here in the late 80s, and I was a ski bum. And I fell in love with my neighbor, who was also a ski bum, and he stuck with me through medical school and medical training, and we now moved back here after our training. I did my residency in Minnesota. We had a baby when I was in residency, and now she's a second grader at Sopris Elementary. So, yeah, we're happy to be back.
Wow. Well, tell us about the obstetrics portion of your practice and who you serve. We also know that you have a special 4D ultrasound machine.
Yes, I'm the only one in the area that has this, and we can do 4D is actually live three-dimensional looking at the babies, and so this is really quite fun. There are also some GYN applications for this. I take care of women from the minute they become pregnant until they deliver, and for the year afterward, and as they age through on into GYN problems.
Is there anything else you'd like to say about your gynecology portion of the practice?
Yeah, I do minimally invasive surgery, so I call it not your mother's hysterectomy, okay? And it's usually a 1 to 2 week recovery from doing hysterectomy through a scope. And this has been really proven to be beneficial for the patient to be able to get back into their regular lifestyle and the things that they're used to doing. I also specialize in hormones, which most women become menopausal somewhere around 50, 52 years old. And I specialize in bioidentical hormones, the ones that are safe for us.
So when we're talking about other progressive treatments that you do, I know you specialize in other areas of health and beauty. What other kinds of things do you have?
Well, at the center here we have a Medi-Spa, which is skincare, and Paula takes care of that. And I also do an HCG diet. So those are separate from what I do as an OBGYN, and we love it. I had a patient come in yesterday. She'd lost 90 pounds, and she was hugging and jumping all over the place.
Wow. So how can people learn more about your business?
You can actually stop by our office and visit at any time. We'd love to visit with people. I am taking new OB and GYN patients, so make an appointment. Also, we have a website. It's www.womens-carepc.com.
Well, thank you for visiting with us for another edition of the Glenwood Springs Chamber Ambassador Group, brought to you by the Glenwood Springs Chamber Resort Association and Aflac Donnie Cochran Insurance Services. If you have any questions, if you miss the phone numbers, just give us a call at the Chamber.